We have lots of videos online of people getting their first sale, the cha-ching, and they're like, oh my God, somebody found my amazing product. The best answers are going to come for those who have the best data. And we want to build the best infrastructure so everything is possible. My name is Farhan Thawar. Been at Shopify 7 years. I'm head of engineering. From first sale all the way to IPO, we focus on making more entrepreneurs. We want them to spend all their time building amazing products, telling their story, and talking to customers. And so when you come to Shopify, the idea is for us to take away everything else. Shopify Sidekick is really our efforts to give you a co-founder to help you along your entrepreneurial journey, to bring all the power of everything we know about commerce via this chat interface. So you can ask it, how do I make these changes? Tax questions, to even questions about marketing, reporting. Who are the fastest 5 growing products that sold for me last week? You could actually ask your questions with voice and have a Gemini voice model answer questions. And one of the cool things that we're prototyping now is actually using Gemini to do translations. This 24/7. And as you grow your business, the questions can be more advanced and also can help you do all of the pieces of commerce that you have to do in order to grow your business. We knew that partnering with Google, we wouldn't have to worry about ever running out of compute or network or storage. The biggest and most important time of the year is Black Friday, Cyber Monday, BFCM. And in partnering with GCP, we were able to scale up our infrastructure, and we saw a peak of $5.1 million of sales per minute. 81 million customers transact over that weekend, and that allowed us to sell almost $14.6 billion for our brands. All we did was ramp up the number of CPUs, memory, database machines. We use lots of parts of the stack. Banner, BigQuery for analytics, the Vertex infrastructure to ensure we have high reliability and our choice of models. We even announced a protocol developed with Google, Universal Commerce Protocol, that allows us to actually ensure we have a handshake between different agentic systems to power a more accurate commerce experience. We also use AI internally at Shopify to remove toil from employees. And because Shopify is already on Google Workspace, we use Gemini that's built into email, Drive, Sheets, but also Google Meet. On the engineering side, we're testing Antigravity, which combines chat, agentic, and also UI experiences that make the developer toil dissolve. Shopify is very big on prototyping. Because we work with Google Cloud, a lot of those experiences can be actually deployed in a way that we can test it with real users. We build the infrastructure for commerce. It's all possible because we've built the right layers of infrastructure. With Google Cloud, Shopify is building a new way to empower the next generation of entrepreneurs all over the world.